everyone, my name is Filipina Santos, and today I'm going to discuss some of the crucial concept that was covered in our session's reading. So my brief discussion for today will cover these three important chapters, so let's get started. Chapter 1 of our text gives us a glimpse on the role of management team in achieving quality health services. It gives us brief explanation of the definition of quality, and finally, this chapter explains some of the key healthcare quality methods. So when it comes to the role of management in achieving quality, Spot and Kelly 2017 emphasized the importance of managing the system. In healthcare setting, when the system of delivery is managed poorly, the patients won't receive the great benefits of medical care. That is why it's vital that management carry out their responsibilities and ensure they achieve the organization's goal. They can do this through management connected processes that enable them to communicate, coordinate, and make critical decisions that will benefit the organization. And most importantly, management team must remember that achieving quality is not just the obligation of the clinical and technical professionals. It is also the responsibility of the management team that oversee the system. Chapter 1 also introduces to definition of quality. This definition of quality, as you can see here, is from the Institute of Medicine. They also identified the key components of quality care. See, this framework of the Institute of Medicine makes it easier not only for consumers but also to a healthcare organization to grasp the meaning and relevance of quality measure. This framework acts as a guide for improvement and to optimize health system performance that in turn will achieve the primary goal of quality improvement, which is to improve outcomes and achieve the organization's goal. Chapter 1 also takes us to the quality methods or terminology used for quality improvement. As you can see in here, these are crucial. These are very crucial for the management to understand, as these terminologies are frequently used terms in quality improvement. So as you can see, Chapter 1 is an introduction of the fundamentals of quality management. Elements discussed in these chapters are crucial for us, future health administrator, to understand because this valuable information will guide our thinking and action to successfully achieve improvement and meet our future organization's purpose. So let's now dive into Chapter 2. This chapter identifies the public and private policies that influence healthcare quality. It outlines external stakeholders like the federal government and private organizations that affects quality. This chapter also gives us an oversight on federal policies as well as private health policies, and finally give us the list of quality oversight organizations in the United States. So according to Spot and Kelly, external stakeholder utilizes three approaches to influence healthcare quality. These are licensure, accreditation, and certification. The Exhibit 2.1 of our text also identified this type of healthcare quality oversight organization in the United States. See, this organization are crucial for healthcare services because their regulations as well as standard is what drives change and influence quality of services in care. Now, let's move on to federal and private health policies. So, to start off, the federal government is a crucial stakeholders of health services organization. Its laws and regulation pave the way for change in the health system to improve quality of care and services. So, this chapter discussed the nature of health policies, both public and private. This information is vital for us future healthcare administrator, as this sets foundation that will enable us to understand what drive changes in the health system. As a future part of the management team, we are charged with the responsibilities to learn current requirements of stakeholder and keep up to the ever-changing policies and procedure that affects our future organization. So now we come to the last and final chapter, chapter 13, which revolves around making healthcare safer for patients. See, this chapter covers a lot of topics that surround patient safety and understanding and identifying errors and what causes them, and quickly looking for proactive measures of action will improve safety and pave the way to eliminate chances for errors and failures. This is pretty much what the summarize the whole chapter. So this chapter is crucial for us future healthcare administrator, as patient safety is the cornerstone of high quality health care. We are charged with the responsibility of protecting our patients from errors, injuries, and accidents. So it's up to us administrator to ensure patient safety is the number one priority and key focus of everyone in our organization. So there you have it.